In today's chakra meditation, you will be recharging and balancing the energy centers within your body. To begin, make yourself comfortable and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and breathe out any tension or stress that you may be feeling. Take another deep breath in and breathe out tension. Take one more deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of all remaining tension. Feel yourself becoming very, very relaxed. As your breathing returns to a slow, gentle rhythm, you find yourself relaxing more and more with every breath. Now, I would like you to focus your attention to a point located just above the top of your head so that you may begin to see a bright violet ball of light glowing from that area. See the light swirling in a clockwise direction, eliminating any unwanted negativity and allowing positivity to take its place. Notice the sensations you feel. Your senses spring to new life, and you start to experience your favorite sounds, smells, tastes, sights, and feelings. You start to feel vibrant and energetic, happy and positive, with a sense of well-being all over. As you become more relaxed with every breath, I would like you to center all of your attention to a point located in the middle of your forehead, so that you may begin to see a bright indigo light glowing from that area. and you may feel that area starting to tingle ever so slightly. But it's okay if you don't. See the indigo light getting brighter, feeling it releasing any unwanted negativity and allowing positivity and gentle healing to enter that point. Making you feel calm and centered, happy and positive, with a balanced state of mind. Now, I would like your attention to wander to the area at the front of your throat so that you may envision a beautiful blue light glowing from that area. See the light becoming brighter. Notice all the sensations you are feeling here. Releasing any unwanted negativity. Clearing any blockages you may have. And allowing positive energy to enter. Bringing a gentle and warm feeling to that area. Making you feel light and free, happy and positive, and able to communicate expressively in a positive way. As you continue to relax even further, your state of awareness grows stronger. Now, focus your attention to your heart space and imagine the color green glowing around your heart. As you are opening your heart chakra, you start to experience a sense of love all around you, filling you with joy and happiness, making you feel warm inside, safe and secure. You naturally release any unwanted pain or heartache as you begin to find it easier to express love and kindness all around you. You are feeling so deeply relaxed now as you start to focus all of your attention to a point just below your heart. You see a bright yellow ball of light swirling gently in a clockwise direction so that you may feel a release of tension coming from that area. And now, imagine the feeling of peace and serenity flowing through all of your body. Picture these wonderful feelings and sensations as they move through you and around you as you relax even further. You become lighter, more relaxed and positive. You feel more confident and have a strong feeling of self-worth and self-assurance. And now, I would like you to move your attention to a spot just above the belly button. A bright sphere of orange, swirling in any direction that works for you. Feeling the warm, glowing sensation that makes you feel good inside. A feeling of calm and tranquility. You feel a strong sense of self-respect and a feeling of love for yourself. Now center your attention to an area at the base of your spine. Imagine a large red circle covering that area. And now you start to become and feel more confident in every aspect of your life. You feel courageous, spontaneous, as you experience a sense of happiness in everything you do. You see the beautiful, vibrant red circle, helping you feel more balanced and grounded, more able to take on life's challenges. You are feeling grateful for all of life's experiences. And now, as you give thanks for this wonderful healing today, making you feel good in every possible way, you will continue on with your day feeling positive, more confident, and focused, and more grateful for life's experiences. When you are ready, bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings and gently open your eyes.